Hello, and thank you for joining us. Today, we will be reviewing our newest creation from the hydraulic and lube oil filtration group, the QF5i. Experience exceptional magnetic filtration while in cold start bypass this month on Schroeder TV. Many of the markets we serve experience some form of system downtime. Whether it's scheduled or not scheduled, we all see time that we are not making money utilizing the valuable resources we operate on a day-to-day basis. At Schroeder Industries, we are available to help all our customers with the issues they are having with system downtime. Whether it's with the implementation of a preventative maintenance program, a system condition monitoring solution, or for higher efficiencies during unavoidable downtimes, we are capable to troubleshoot a solution for you. We took note of a major oil and gas OEM that experienced just that. It was discovered that anytime the fluid operating temperature on their fleet of hydraulic frac pump trucks was below 70 degrees Fahrenheit, they experienced at least 1 hour of downtime in system bypass. And while the fluid began processing and preparing to reach an operating temperature above 70 degrees Fahrenheit, the OEM's current filtration solution was quickly being filled with contaminant before actually even using the pump trucks. Naturally, this caused premature failures in the system, excessive element changeouts, and 1 hour intervals in cold start bypass. Schroeder took note and prescribed the need for a more efficient filtration solution during this time in bypass. Our current offering, the QF5 inline filter, was our answer for high dirt holding capacity and less element changeouts, but we wanted to tweak it even more to better fit this OEM's application. Introducing the QF5i Cold Start Protection Inside-Out Flow Filter. Unlike the QF5, this state-of-the-art filtration technology includes inside-out flow through an eco-friendly cordless QCL element. The QF5i also includes a hanging magnetic filter rod to catch ferrous materials, in addition to the element catching your standard non-ferrous contamination. To validate our claims, we tested a newly manufactured QF5i on one of their hydraulic frac pump trucks. During the normal bypass, the OEM noticed the magnetic filter rod catching copious amounts of ferrous materials that they would normally see in their system. They quickly saw this value and ordered a total of 200 QF5is for their fleet of hydraulic frac pump trucks. A QF5i from Schroeder Industries is your answer for an eco-friendly, high ferromagnetic and non-ferromagnetic contaminant holding inside-out flow filter. Use it when dispensing, delivering, or storing your bulk mineral oils, or plumb it into an existing system for a more efficient operation, less element changeouts, and longer pump life. Contact us today at sisales@schroederindustries.com. or visit us on the web at www.schroederindustries.com to find more information on our QF5i and other products and fluid engineering services that we have to offer.